Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come home to a spectacular view of the crystal blue waters of the Caribbean Sea in Nuevo Resort, St. Mary. This well-appointed, immaculately maintained dwelling with modern finishes is sure to please. It comes with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It sits on almost a quarter acre of land. It is adorned with elegant crown moldings, exuding sophistication. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the living space to a well-appointed kitchen. It is positioned to enjoy the proximity to beaches, modern and social amenities, located minutes away from the Ian Fleming International Airport and approximately 15 minutes to the resort town of Ocho Rios. It is embellished by a beautiful garden and manicured lawn. There is an outdoor storeroom, barbecue grill, reserve tanks, and several fruit trees at the rear of the property. Other features include laundry area, water heater, and double garage for securing your cars. This house was also reduced in price by US 55,000 or Jamaican $8.4 million. This home is perfect for a family or as a holiday retreat. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is US 495,000 or Jamaican $76.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.